Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to DSS online class. This is Roli ma'am here for science class. Today I am giving you a reading video of chapter Coal and Petroleum. And my first topic is coal. You may have seen coal or heard about it. It is as hard as a stone and it black in color. You can easily observe it here. Coal is one of the fossil fuel used to cook food. Earlier, it was used in railway engine to produce steam to run the engine. It is also used in thermal power plants to produce electricity. Coal is also used as a fuel in various industries. Now, story of coal. Where do we get coal from and how is it formed? We get coal from coal mine, and there is a story of formation of coal. Please listen carefully. About 300 million years ago, Earth had dense forest in low-lying wetland areas. Due to the natural processes like flooding, these forests got buried under the soil. As more soil deposited over them, they were compressed. The temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. Under high pressure and high temperature, dead plants got slowly converted into coal. As coal contains mainly carbon, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal is called carbonization. Since it was formed from the remains of the vegetation, coal is also called a fossil fuel. A coal mine is shown in the figure 5. Now here is the coal mine. You can easily observe it. When heated in air, coal burns and produces mainly carbon dioxide gas. Coal is processed in industry to get some useful products such as coke, coal tar and coal gas. Coke. It is tough, porous and black substance. It is an almost pure form of carbon. Coke is used in the manufacture of steel and in the extraction of many metals. Next is coal tar. It is black, thick liquid with an unpleasant smell. It is mixture of about 200 substances. Products obtained from coal tar are used as starting material for manufacturing various substances used in everyday life and in industry like synthetic dyes, drugs, explosive perfumes, plastics, paints, photographic materials, roofing material, etc. Interestingly, naphthalene ball used to repel moths and other insects are also obtained from coal tar. These days, bitumen, a petroleum product, is used in place of coal tar. Next is coal gas. Coal gas is obtained during the processing of coal to get coke. Coal gas was used for street lighting for the first time in London 1810 and in New York around 1820. Nowadays, it is used as a source of heat rather than light. Coal gas is a fuel in many industries situated near the coal processing plants. Next topic is petroleum. You know that petrol is used as fuel in light automobiles such as motorcycles, scooters and cars. Heavy motor vehicles like truck and tractors run on diesel. Petrol and diesel are obtained from a natural resource called petroleum. The word petroleum is derived from petra means rock and oleum means oil, and it is mined from between the rocks under earth as shown in the figure 5.4. Do you know how petroleum is formed? There is also an interesting story for the formation of petroleum. Petroleum was obtained from organisms living in the sea. As these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom of the sea and got covered with layers of sand and clay. Over millions of years, absence of air, high temperature, and high pressure. Please remember these conditions: absence of air, high temperature, and high pressure transformed the dead organism into petroleum and natural gases. Now look at the figure 5.4. It shows the deposits of petroleum and natural gas. You see that the layer containing petroleum oil and gas is above that of water. Why is it so? It happens because density of oil and gas is lower in comparison to the water. Recall that oil and gas are lighter than water and do not mix with it. The world's first oil well was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. 8 years later, in 1867, oil was struck at Makum in Assam. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai, High, and in the river basin of Godavari and Krishna. So that was all about formation of coal and petroleum. And now I am showing you a figure of petroleum and natural gas deposits. It is here, and you can see that it is water on which oil and gas floats. Why it happens? Because density of oil and gas is lower in comparison to water. So it is the deposit of petroleum and natural gas. That was all about the formation of coal and petroleum. Hope you understand. Thank you.